And this particular one I'll be talking about now is especially for beginners, people that have not gained experience. You're starting out and you need to land remote jobs. The first thing is that pick any job you see that matches your description. Do not prioritize the pay, but rather prioritize you being able to show off your skills, show what you can do, show the problem solving skills that you have. And trust me, after that first, second, third jobs that you took that might be below your own pay, you will be able to put a price tag on your skills, because at that time you have testimonies, you have people looking for you because your previous job is already speaking for you. But when you're trying to start out, do not put a price tag on it. You need real job experience. And another thing is, if you're in tech, even if you're not in tech, having a portfolio is not only for people in tech. Having a portfolio can apply to a wide range of skills. So if you can have one page of portfolio, your portfolio is simply something showcasing the jobs you've done, proving to your employers and your recruiters that you are the right person for this job. Putting up a one-page portfolio will give you steps ahead of people who don't care or who do not have any portfolio. So if you're a beginner, make sure you have, even if it's 1 to 2 pages of your portfolio that will show the works you've done and the things you're capable of doing. And if you're a beginner and you're trying to land your remote job faster, turn on your job alerts on any platform you're using for your job search, because that will give you alerts when there is any job being posted, and that will make you to be among the first people to apply to these jobs. Most jobs do not really look at who first apply and who do not apply first, but some of these jobs also consider the first applicants and people that applied late. So turn on your job alerts. This will enhance and help you land your remote job faster. And the last thing, narrow down your resume, because I always say when a particular job asks for your resume, make sure you customize that resume to that particular job. Don't use one particular resume for all kinds of job application. No, you need to customize a particular resume for a particular job. That is why people just save it on their phone and keep tapping upload, upload, upload. When those resumes need a little touch for you to match that particular job you're applying for, and these things boost your chances of landing that particular job. So if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment in the comment section if you're trying to land your remote job, if you need any advice, if you need any question or any more clarifications. Until I see you next time, my name is Queen Valen, and bye.